To me, Waka Ama means a lot. It means family getting together. It means time away from the busy life.
Kia nei, te hunga whakataetae mai ana i te Waka Ama. He kaupapa whakawhanaungatanga.
To me, Waka Ama is a cool way to connect with my culture.
We've got nannies and papas and mokos and mokomokos all paddling. It's a buzz, you know?
It's quite empowering for our tamariki to realise what it is that they can do.
What does it mean to me? Whānaungatanga, tautoko, support, family.
How do you put that in one sentence? It means whānau, it means manaakitanga, it means connecting with tangaroa.
Yeah, the people and everything, it's just a good vibe all around.
And making sure that our whānau keeps with their tai ao, their well-being, and their manatua. Just making sure that our whānau are safe and that they're healthy.
You won't be able to see this in other sporting events across the country and across the world.
Hey bro, just what he said.